Remember when I said I don't like Thredup anymore and I hate it and we're divorcing? Well, we're back together again. So I have two boxes of Coach bags that I am going to unbox with you today. And I'm hoping the universe conspires to send me a few vintage bags in these boxes. So let's open them up. Hi, my name is Alina. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller and I am here to share my knowledge and to share my findings with you. I just joined a couple of months ago a group on Facebook called Vintage Cult Bags or something like that. And I am obsessed with Coach bags right now. I don't know, for some reason. It's a phase probably. But I really love them and I love their quality. And in all fairness, they sell really fast in my Poshmark closet. So here we are again, two boxes that I am going to open right now with you. Okay, fingers crossed. I am so curious of what's inside. Let me put this away. So what we have here is the invoice. I paid $100 for the box. It is a rescue box, so I expect to be having some flaws in the bags. There you go. Ooh, color! Okay, this is so very cute. Look at this, but it has a boo-boo here. I think it's kind of greenish. It might be some pen marks. It is in very good condition though, and fairly clean inside. It is a mini 42732. I will research these as I post them, but right now I am just curious what's inside. Here's the key fob, really cute. The zipper works. It needs a little bit of soap and that's what makes it slide. If you slide a bar of soap around against the zipper, it's gonna work easier. The color is like a burnt orange. It's really pretty. Anyway, so one. The other one, and I guess this is the accessory, it is a mini wristlet, like that. It's in good condition. It needs a little bit of cleaning. It has some yellowish here, and then this is fairly clean. It is clean. It has, excuse me, it has the leather accent. Really pretty. Let me show my face. Okay. The next one is a hobo bag. It is a medium size, very comfy, double handle. It has a metal compartment that is zippered and it has this snap closure. Let me see the creed. The creed says F16540, which means is an outlet bag. The ones with F, they're outlet bags. It is in very good condition. I don't see any rips, holes, scratches, any stains. The interior is clean. It has a zippered compartment. Yeah, it's very clean. Thank God. Oh my God. Woo! I don't know if I'm mistaken, but I think this is called a Legacy. And I don't know how vintage this is, but the leather has some heaviness to it. Oh my God, it's pretty. And here it says Coach. It is pretty and it's heavy. Oh, the leather is very sturdy, and the interior only has a few pen marks, but this is going to be easy to clean. And the creed says 10330. I don't know how vintage this is. It also has the key fob and brass hardware. Very nice. Another signature canvas bag, hobo bag. Very clean inside. And it has the F14709. F means outlet, if I am not mistaken. Again, I have to research, I'm fairly new to this. It has a Coach embossed on the leather. Well, this is not removable, but the strap, and thank God it's here, because sometimes they send it without the straps, and that diminishes the price that I can sell it for. The corners are in great condition. There is no rips or stains or anything. Just needs a little bit of TLC. It has a little bit of stain here, but I'm sure I can get this out. And that's it for this one. Woohoo! Number 2. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This box that I just opened was excellent box, and I'm sure I will get my money back at least, but I'm so excited about that legacy bag, you guys. I have to research it. I'm gonna put on the screen somewhere what the comps are for each of them, and how much I think I can sell it for. If you're interested, you can find it in my closet. You're more than welcome to shop there. I will put my handle on the screen so you can find me. That's number 2. Again, $100. I've paid for this plus the shipping, which I think it's like $8 or something like that. I will have to keep these receipts for tax purposes. So do your taxes, don't throw away the receipts. Keep it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is so cute. This is a green, lime green Coach bag. I love a good color. This is probably, yeah, this is also an outlet bag. It has the F next to the crate number, and that's what it means usually. Factory, not outlet, sorry. This probably will need a bath. But it's in fairly good condition. It has a few little dots. I don't know what it is, but it looks amazing. It looks like it has been worn like maybe once or twice, and somebody just didn't know how to wear it or how to take care of it. But it's so cute. Look at this, so comfy. I love this one, even if it's a factory bag. Oh my God. Guys, you know what this is? It's a station bag. Oh my God, this is stunning. It is a navy blue. Oh, and it needs TLC, but it is in such good condition. There is no holes, no. Oh my God. Oh, okay, the zipper is broken, but I'm sure this is a very minor issue. Oh, the creed is 9920 and also has the fob. Oh, and removable straps with a carabiner closure. Oh my God, this is so adorable. Wow, this is a true vintage Coach bag. I am so excited. Probably this will pay for the whole 2 boxes. Love it, love it. I'm gonna have to go to my Facebook group and ask them how to clean this and how to take care of it, but it is so amazing. Look at this. I do already have some Dr. Martens leather balsam. I don't know if that's appropriate for the Coach bags, for this kind of leather, but I will ask how to clean it and probably do a video on how to restore, because I want to learn about this. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this one. Woohoo! Oh, this is my accessories. I think this is a part of the Poppy collection. I remember I sold a bag that looked like this with the cursive script, and this is in very good condition. It's like a brown patent leather, and it looks like it's in. It has a few cracks here at the fold and here, so this is a little sad, but I can still sell it. That's not a problem as long as I disclose the flaws in the listing. Another summer bag, really pretty. It's like pearly beige color. I don't know how this one is called. It looks good so far. The interior is a little dirty, and it's also a factory one. Here you go. The F is right there, 19252. Beautiful little bag, very comfy to wear. Medium size and in good condition. It just needs a bath. Doesn't smell bad. That's a good sign. Okay, and I think it's the last one. This looks good. It's just the leather is all scuffed. It is 9400. This looks interesting. It looks like it's vintage, especially this type of closure and no money. It's clean inside. It has a zippered pocket and the creed. And interestingly enough, it has a leather slide pocket and credit card or ID pocket. Nowadays, you won't see this much, especially in the Coach handbags. So my guess is that this is a vintage one. Looks good, no rips, yeah, a little bit here at the corner. So this will have to also be restored. But this is a biggie. This is a big one. Look at this. Boom. This is like a serious shopping bag. Okay, and it's black. That's a good sign. So this is it. I have 10 Coach items altogether, and they are amazing. Not too bad of a damage. The only one that has a serious damage is the little Coach wallet that's patent leather that has a lot of cracks, and I will sell that for fairly cheap. There's always someone that needs one, and I will post it in my closet for a few dollars. So thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. I will try to make this video as educational as possible, and while editing it, I will try to add a lot of information about each piece, the comps and how much I think it would sell for in my closet, as well as my closet handle so you can find me if you feel like shopping. But from this, I have 2 vintage Coach bags that need a lot of attention and probably some restoration, and I will do it a mission to document this and show you how it's done. I am learning myself still, and it's gonna be a fun project. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. If you want to check my reselling tips, I have a playlist that I'm gonna link on the screen, and you can watch further information about reselling. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!